Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to stop damage fast. First, disconnect Wi-Fi and mobile data and enable airplane mode so the attacker loses access. If you see unusual activity or data being sent, power the phone off immediately to halt exfiltration. Once done, use a trusted device to change passwords for email, banking, and essential accounts. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication where available. These actions limit further harm while you prepare for deeper cleanup and recovery steps. Boot into safe mode to prevent third-party apps from running, then uninstall any unfamiliar or recently installed apps. This removes many persistent threats. Next, install and run a reputable mobile antivirus or malware scanner from the Play Store to detect hidden components. Quarantine or remove everything it flags. While scanning, audit app permissions and revoke SMS, camera, mic, location, and accessibility privileges for suspect apps, because attackers often exploit these to persist or spy on you. If malware persists or you want guaranteed removal, backup photos and contacts, then perform a factory reset to wipe the system. Make sure backups exclude apps or executables. After reset, reinstall only vetted apps from official stores and change all account passwords again, using unique passwords and two-factor authentication. Finally, verify no unauthorized charges or account changes. If problems continue, contact your carrier, a security pro, or the device maker for deeper forensics and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.